gonna... Fuck. Alright, welcome back to another moto vlog. Probably going to be the New Year's when you see this, so Happy New Year. Hope you've had a good Christmas and 2026 is being nice to you so far. Let's check if I've got my little buddy with me. No, can't see him. Riding with a mate of mine who's got my dad's Hornet because his ZX-10 is broken. And look at all these lovely middle lane hoggers. Wow, such a good use of the road, you know, fantastic. But I've got a new DJI Action 6 camera on my face, so that is what you're seeing right now. Hopefully it looks good. Also, was lucky enough to get myself a nice pair of heated gloves for Christmas, so yeah, big dubs for that. Alright, where's this Hornet at? But yeah, while I wait for him, I'll tell you what I'm doing today. I am heading to Riker's Bike Cafe to meet some people. Maybe go for a little ride with them, depends where they're going. And then, yeah, get some content later today. As you know, it's quite nice today. It's like 5-6 degrees, but it's dry. So, happy that it's dry. Nice blue skies means I can get some good content today. Oh, there you are. Fucking slow ass. Right, so what I'm going to do now is shut up for a bit and just cut in some nice little footage of some of the back roads. Alright, and that is us out of Rikers. I'm pretty sure my camera stopped working. Just decided to cut out, so missed a little bit of the approach. Not good because this is a brand new camera. So yeah, it shouldn't really be doing that. But I've switched it to its internal storage because I reckon it was not a dodgy SD card, but I've had problems with those SD cards in the past, so it could have been that. Maybe I just need to get a new one. But hopefully the internal storage sorts it out. So we were going to go with some people to a spot and take some videos, but they're going somewhere else, and Harry wants to go home because it's cold. So what I'm going to do is drop that off with him, and then I'm staying out on this to get some little videos. So to make up for the camera dying and, you know, lack of content in this vlog, I'm just going to record the way back just so I have it. And also as like a little test to see, is this camera like having problems already? If it records fine, then yeah, it was definitely the SD card's fault. But yeah, still a lovely day. Had a gorgeous little breakfast and coffee. So yeah, all fueled up. And before I go back to cinematic, no talking mode, I just wanted to say thanks for 10k on Insta. That's amazing. And thank you for 20k on TikTok as well. Also recently hit 1k on YouTube. So yeah, things are looking good for all the channels. And yeah, enjoy this little bit of back road bashing. Okay, so we're still recording this time, and yeah, I've ended up at a nice little spot. Take some photos by these logs on this big abandoned runway. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Pretty sure this stayed recording now that I put it to internal only. But oh yeah, that looks fucking sweet. Yeah, really happy with this camera, minus the fact that it turned itself off. Yeah, can't do a lot about that. But yeah, here's the bike. Looking beautiful. It's not too dirty. I thought it would be dirtier. Look how shagged that rear tyre is. And yeah, that's what's making all the noise. So, nice big race fit can. But yeah, gonna end the vlog there. Thank you very much for watching. And I'm gonna take some nice photos and videos now. And I'll see you in the next one.